Dear aspiring affiliate marketer, did you know that social media is the worst way to build an email list? Would you like to know the fastest way to build a large responsive email list and automatically promote multiple different affiliate products simultaneously using low-cost traffic? By the way, right now you might be asking yourself, who am I to help you with making money online? My name is Claude Buzizi and I make a full-time income with affiliate marketing. In fact, I'm a super affiliate and here are some of the results that I get. As you can see, these are some screenshots that I took from my Instagram profile. You can go and check there. And as you can see, everything that I'm showing you here is legit, okay? And these are actually screenshots that I took when I was testing out a new marketing strategy. And as you can see, I ended up the first week with $710 in revenue, and then ended up even making almost 1K per day just at the beginning of this new marketing strategy. And I promote all sorts of affiliate programs and I tend to do very well when I promote them, okay? Sometimes I promote private off network affiliate programs. And as you can see, these are some of the results that I get there. As you can see, for the second screenshot, I have 21% of return on investment. And then other times I promote software products that pay nice recurring commissions. And as you can see as well, here are some of the screenshots that I got from Payoneer. And as you can see, those are different screenshots and these are proof that this really works, okay? And I admit I'm not the richest super affiliate in the world. I don't own a Lamborghini. I don't live in a mansion. And I live a pretty simple life with my wife Divine and my son Nowak, okay? But I do well with affiliate marketing and I have been able to travel in some of the best countries in Europe and also lived some great moments with my family, and nothing could ever replace that. I'm sorry if this seems like I'm bragging, but the internet is crammed to the rafters with scammers, and I want you to see and understand that I walk the talk. I've figured out a way to generate both buyer leads and affiliate sales on autopilot using a cheap traffic source. At one point, I was a struggling internet marketer and I've lost thousands of dollars trying to drive traffic to my capture pages. I generated some leads, but I never got sales. My ad spend has always exceeded my earnings, and I would often find myself borrowing more money on my credit card just to keep up. Soon I was tapped out, and this is why I had to figure out a way to get targeted email subscribers on the cheap so I can start slow and scale fast. If you'd like to build a large responsive email list fast and automatically promote multiple affiliate offers simultaneously without any previous email marketing experience, and you've tried every possible method but none worked, then this may be the most important video you watch this year. Now that I've figured out how to generate both buyer leads and affiliate sales on autopilot for myself, I've put together everything I know into a blueprint I call the Affiliate Automation Academy Blueprint. And I would like you to have it for a steal. I'll tell you more about that in a minute, but first, here's what my Affiliate Automation Academy Blueprint can do for you. Build your email list without sinking neck deep in credit card debt. Build your email list faster and with less money. You'll be able to create effective follow-up sequence to close more sales. Increase your opt-in rate by 10% with one simple tweak. Double your income by promoting other people's products to your email list. Come up with a limitless supply of highly profitable and high-paying affiliate offers. Create multiple streams of income. Make money from the comfort of your home and without being forced to leave work or give up on tons of free time with your family. Build a reliable commission generating system and much more, okay? Best of all, once the system is up and running, you can potentially get online commissions starting this week. It's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. And the way it works, you simply need to plug in your affiliate ID and then so that the commissions can go to you. Number 2, activate the traffic. We've found an inexpensive and little known way for getting all the quality traffic we need. And the best part, it's 100% effortless. It's not entirely free, but you only need a measurably small amount to start, okay? Number 3, you enjoy the cash breakout. Let the system follow up with your leads for you on autopilot. so that you can earn commissions when people buy products that you didn't even have to create yourself. And the best part, you can have everything up and running before you go to bed tonight. I admit I'm not a guru. It wasn't never my intention to teach my system to other people. I didn't even plan on creating this system. All I wanted was to build a large responsive email list so I can make money sending out emails to my list. I don't expect you to trust a word of what I'm saying. After all, to you, I may seem like just another person who claims they found the keys to the kingdom, but I genuinely understand what it is like to be struggling to build your email list week after week, month after month. You and I both know that an email list is what separates losers from winners online, and I know a way to build one on autopilot. And I'd like to share it with people who really need my help. If that's you, then I'd love you to experience it for yourself, but you're probably wondering, Claude, why should I listen to you? Because I've been where you are right now. I've bought the so-called coaching programs promising to teach me how to build my email list and got thrown to sharks. I was told to give away an opt-in bribe and hope that people will like it so much they'll just buy my product automatically. But that never happened. Not only I didn't get any sales, but I was left worse than I started because now I had a list full of dads who didn't buy anything and brand spanking new credit card and a bunch of debt on my credit card. I ran Facebook ads to my capture page and I lost my ad account 2 times due to policy violation. I almost went bankrupt buying ads on Google. I've bought landing page software to stay compliant. I've spent a week figuring out Google Analytics tracking. I've bought expensive keyword research plugins. I strategically placed keywords on my page, but I couldn't compete with other advertisers who consistently outbid my ads. I even bought leads from shady MLM sites and emailed those leads and had crickets. And those who did respond would curse me for spamming them because they didn't know who I was. I lost my MailChimp account doing that, so I started fresh with ConvertKit, only with a different lead buying service, only to end up losing that account too, due to low engagement and promoting affiliate content. I know what it is like to be spending time and money on building your list and always come up short, but unlike you, I now know what success tastes like thanks to my system. And I want to share it with you so you can test it too. Affiliate Automation Academy Blueprint is a result of years of trial and error. I've spent a lot of time trying every bad method out there, and I now know with full certainty what doesn't work. Eventually, I accidentally did a few things right, and I started seeing positive results. So I started doing most of those things on purpose, and soon I was making money. But it still wasn't perfect. It still felt like guesswork sometimes, because while my system would work sometimes, it didn't work every time. So I spent more time and money tweaking it until finally I could build my email list profitably and predictably. I spent the next 90 days tightening screw until I finally created a bulletproof, newbie-friendly approach to building a large responsive email list from scratch and generating affiliate sales on autopilot, using, of course, the low-cost traffic. This approach works in any niche, and it doesn't discriminate against your previous experience. It offers an answer to some of your most burning questions, such as how to build a capture page that converts at 30% opt-in rate, where to get targeted traffic to build your email list with, how to follow up with your email subscribers to get sales fast, what to say in your emails to get people to open them, how to communicate your email list so people like you, how to build a reliable automated commission generating system, what email autoresponder to use, which tracking software to use, how to generate both buyer leads and affiliate sales on autopilot, and much, much more. You're probably wondering, what am I going to charge you? Thing is, I spent several years and tens of thousands of dollars between mentoring programs, tools, coaching, ebooks, home study courses, and books, who all promised me a solution but never delivered on their promises. I've spent way more than I profited. According to my most modest estimates, I spent about $19,000 on all sorts of list building advice that didn't work. However, since I've developed my system, I've recouped all of it back and made 10x more. So this system is worth tens of thousands of dollars to me personally, and a bare minimum of $19,000 to anyone who truly wants to build an email list full of targeted prospects who want to buy stuff. Because that's the amount of money it's going to save them, but I'm not going to charge you anywhere near that or even half that. Because it wouldn't be fair to you. You've probably already spent a fair share of your hard-earned dollars on mentoring programs that didn't work. And if you are not tapped out yet, you are on your way there. You need to see some results first before you fork out another for $9,097, right? Other programs that claim they can show you how to build your email list are typically sold for $1997 by speakers on stages at seminars and no less than $997 on webinars you may have attended. But I'm not going to charge you that either. In fact, you're going to say I'm crazy, but I'm going to allow you to try my blueprint without risk at 98% discount for just $7 only. Click the button below to get started now. You may be wondering why the 98% discount, because I remember what it is like to be in your shoes, and I know you'll make this money back in no time when you apply my blueprint. Not to mention that I don't expect to get rich by selling this blueprint, unlike the gurus who get rich selling what they do and not doing it. Remember, it was never my intention to become a guru. I just want to those who need my help to get it. Click the link below to try out my blueprint risk-free for 30 days. If for any reason you don't feel this blueprint is for you, just email us at support@claudebouzizi.com for a hassle-free refund within 30 days of your investment purchase, and I'll even let you keep it, okay? There is only one catch. You need to act fast. I've put together this special offer for a limited time. You lose your 98% discount and $6,038 in bonuses when the timer on this page expires. So you need to act fast below. And to help you make the right decision right now, I would like to ethically bribe you with $6,000 in free bonuses, okay? I'll tell you what they are in a second, but first, did you know that the weight loss industry sells $72.7 billion worth of products every year? If there are so much information, services, and help available to people who want to lose weight, how come we are getting fatter every year? Here is why. Imagine you are in the first grade, the bell rings and the teacher comes in. The teacher puts the book on the table and says all the answers you need for the year are contained in this textbook, and all you have to do is just go through it yourself. I'll be back in 8 months to quiz you and to pass you in the second grade. Would that work? No, I don't think it would work. You need a teacher, a guide, someone you can ask questions. But before I share with you how I'm going to be your teacher, I just want to get real for a second. Many gurus promise help, but never actually provide it. They say they'll be there when you need them, but they are never there when you need them. As soon as they sold you one thing, they are off selling another thing to the next person. This isn't how I run things. But at the same time, I refuse to become a slave to anyone else's schedule. If I wanted to be a slave to other people's time, I'd keep my day job. I got into affiliate marketing for the time freedom because I wanted to be my own boss, because I refused to let anyone else dictate how I spend time. Today, I divide my time between 3 things: my online business, number 2, my family, number 3, my students, in that exact priority. So don't expect me to put my life on hold to answer emails, and don't expect my phone number just because you paid me a couple of $100. Here is what you can expect though. First, email support by my team. We've got a strict no student left behind policy. If you have any questions, you can email or call us. I employ a dedicated support staff just so you have someone to talk to when you need them. Plus, I've personally created and keep up to date a rich knowledge base with articles and video tutorials on frequently asked questions. And if you've got a question, neither my support staff or nor the knowledge base can help with, it gets passed to me and I answer it personally through our support desk. This way, I'm living true to my core values while providing you with the support you need. Plus, I've created a mastermind group on Facebook where you can mingle and mastermind with other members. That's 3 ways you'll be getting help and support when you need it. This support infrastructure I built for you cost me several $1,000s per month to maintain for you. Therefore, this fast action bonus is worth $2,000 because that's how much I pay my support staff to be there for you. And you get this for free. You will also get a 25 Super Affiliate Automation Tips ebook. This ebook gives you easy automation tips you can use right away to automate your email marketing so your emails make sales even when you sleep. This ebook is valued at $47, but again, you get it for free. Next, I'll give you access to my private traffic Rolodex to drive buyer traffic to any offer, product, or business. That's $997 value, but once again, you get it for free. But wait, there's more. I'll even throw in a collection of done for you income streams that pay you a commission anywhere between $497 and $1997 per sale. So just one sale brings in a lot of money. You don't have to invest hours into research or go through trial and error to discover the best income streams. I've done that for you. This facilitates the entry into Super Affiliate World, and this income streams Rolodex is valued at $997. Yours free when you act before the timer expires. Finally, there's just one more thing I want you to have. Like I said earlier, I got into affiliate marketing because I wanted to make passive income. I didn't want to hustle and grind. It just didn't make sense to me. And I wanted to work smart, not hard. I wanted the time freedom and a big income because I believe these ideas are not mutually exclusive, and I have achieved what I wanted. Okay. Again, as you can see, those are some examples of passive income that I receive. And again, I get to spend some precious time with my family. And as you can see here, I travel with my family, and really nothing can replace this. And I get time to teach even my son how to ride his bicycle, and sometimes teach him how to write, draw, and so on in my home office without any problem. And again, the key here is passive income is key to time freedom. That's why I want you to have this new training I created, how to build a high profit email list in 5 days. This training isn't on sale anywhere. If I was selling it, I'd put a $997 price tag on it, but you guessed it, you get it for free. That's $6,000 in free bonuses when you act fast. Why give you all these free bonuses, you might be asking yourself? Because I love working with decisive action takers, because they are my success stories. If you are ready to get started, please click the button below, and remember, you are covered by my 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you don't feel this blueprint is for you, just email us at support@claudebuzizi.com for a hassle-free refund within 30 days of your investment purchase, and I'll even let you keep it. Anyway, I trust you'll make the right decision for yourself. Until next time we chat, have a good one. Click below to order now.